Hi and welcome to another Photoshop manipulation tutorial, and for this week's speed art we are going to be focusing on the legendary John Wick. Now, whilst I was looking around online, I managed to find this particular image of the car, which I thought was absolutely brilliant. Then we have this one of the dog running along, because I wanted to make him look a little more dramatic rather than just standing or sitting still. Then we got this one of John Wick. Now, I found this one a lot better than the other ones. The other ones are quite generic, where he's just walking forward, as you see in a lot of the posters and whatnot else. So I wanted to go for this one. Then I wanted to actually put him into a car park, so we have this car park here. We then obviously needed to make it so that it was high up into the sky. This is what I wanted to make sure that the kind of scene was based on the top of a car park. So I managed to find a barrier, as you're seeing here now. And then for the background, I wanted it to be like dark, but obviously to be well lit, because we're going to use the glowing edges and whatnot else. And I found this particular image here, which I thought was absolutely beautiful. Now, the reason I'm quickly showing you all this is because the beginning of the video corrupted, where I cut all the pieces out and put them together, but for the rest of it, it absolutely works totally fine. And you'll see that how I put the rest of it together, including all the colouring and whatnot else. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That'd be absolutely amazing. If you'd like to subscribe as well, that'd be absolutely fantastic. But anyway, enjoy the video.